Prepare yourselves for this. Y'all want to see? So in my last hair tutorial, we basically did this glueless wig install start to finish. And now that I'm done wearing this wig, it's time to take down my wig braids and do something new. If you all missed this video, I'll definitely have it linked in my description box down below. Warning, I'm about to take my wig off. I've had these braids up probably an entire month and I'm taking them down today. I can't decide if I want to straighten my hair, braid my hair. As you all can see, I grabbed all of my hair that I had in the closet, my feed-in braiding hair from when I purchased too many packs in the past, or a flexi rod set. So the three things that I'm currently trying to decide between, I want to do feed-in braids. I want to do 6 feed-in braids. I did those in 2018 on my hair before. I'll link the video down below if y'all want to check that out. Can I get the ends? Oh my god. I wanted to do a flexi rod set on my hair. That would be just me rolling my hair, sitting under the dryer, and then I'm done. But what I'm considering is the maintenance on the flexi rod set. You have to sleep pretty. Not that I sleep well, but with braids, you sleep comfortably. With straight hair, you wrap it up so you can sleep comfortably. With flexi rod set, you gotta kind of not flatten your curls out. I'm practically natural. I'm a year and 10 months post relaxer, so I haven't done my hair fully natural with the flexi rod set, so I don't know how that would turn out. So with the braids, braiding my hair when my nails are done, it's not possible. By the way, I do my own nails. If you all want to check out this tutorial, it's linked in my description box below. Plus I'm here alone, so parting would be difficult too, because I was just rewatching my video. I always rewatch my old videos when I want to do something I've done in the past before. It's like, let me go relearn from myself. So I'm trying to consider that too, but I don't know. So this is going to be like just a full hair vlog, like a full one of my real hair. I used to do my hair a lot on my channel. I mean, I still do. I think like sometimes to my subscribers it may seem that I'm not doing my hair that much, but if you follow me on my story, then you'll know most times I do have my hair out and things like that. But with me transitioning, there's not many hairstyles that I do, and so if I'm wearing my hair in a low curly puff but I've already recorded that, it's like I'm not gonna re-record the same thing. So I don't know if that makes sense or not. My only thing with considering if I'm about to straighten my hair is, I mean, it's kind of proper, not proper, but it's just kind of like expected when you go from being relaxed to natural that you upload a big chop to your channel. With me being a year and 10 months post, it's definitely not going to be a big chop anyway. And it's like if I straighten my hair, obviously I know my ends will need to be neatened up. Look at that dirt. I know my ends will be needed to be trimmed up and even. So if I straighten my hair before I do the big chop, it means that I've trimmed off probably the ends while my hair is straight. Not that that matters, but me being picky, I just feel like, wow, I would rather have my big chop footage. Like I need big chop footage on my channel, even though it's not a big chop. But what I've considered, after I deep condition my hair, I'm just going to film me doing the last of my ends and also straightening my hair, and all of this will go together. I do not care about the length of this video at all, especially because you all asked to see my hair more, my real hair more. I'm not filming this to say, oh, I need to put this on YouTube, I owe this to them. It's not that at all. Me documenting this for myself today. So a little hair diary. Yeah, I should see the dandruff on my my clothes, on my robe, on my everything. Dirty braids. I guess with the wig braids though, it doesn't really matter when you're trying to just let your hair grow out, do its own thing, put it away and let it just kind of be. I do put my wild growth oil in my hair only really while my braids are done. So whether I was going to do the flexi rod set, the feed-in braids, or straighten my hair today, wild growth oil wouldn't get used because it's so itchy that I really only want to use it for while my hair is in a protective state underneath wigs. And I wouldn't want to use that on my hair being silky, because imagine oiling your hair daily when you're trying to wear a wrap, or your curls for that matter. Wait, because I want to comb this out while let me get my shower comb so that I don't have to deal with my hair all at once. I just like to comb it through after each braid. Makes it easier. Oh, I just stuck it like in the thing. Some people tend to like go crazy and like cry and all of that when they comb through their hair. And my hair has been put away for, I put the exact time on the screen of when I think I braided my hair down. I can't remember. I did 2 wig reviews and I didn't take my braids down in between either one of those. So you have to consider, don't quote me on it exactly. You can always go to Google, do your own research. You never have to take Destiny's word for anything. Yeah, we lose a certain amount of strands daily. They just shed. They just have to come out. They've run their course in your scalp. So remember things like that when you comb your hair through if it hasn't been done in a while, especially when you get like box braids. Any kind of style that you wear that's up for a very long time, don't be like, ah, this person took my hair out. No, they probably didn't. You can see the dandruff in there too. I know you all like to leave me recommendations whenever I talk about dandruff in my videos. I'm still using Sooo ᶫᵒᵒ, and ᶫᵒᵒ works for me. We just have to remember that my hair was up for an entire month, you know, so I'm definitely going to wash with that today regardless of what I use on my hair, because it helps. If I do the feed-in braids, I also use the ᶫᵒᵒ hair lotion and the hair and scalp conditioner. I like to use products together because I feel like they're supposed to work together when you use them. It's like, why use a shampoo from this brand, the conditioner from that brand? They're formulated to work together. Anyways, there's no point in me talking while y'all can't see the back, huh? Have to have time when you're doing something like this. I literally have nothing planned today except for doing my hair, so if it takes all day, so be it. Only thing I'm thinking, because I'm a YouTuber, I want to go and get my hair trimmed instead of doing it myself, because they'll go all up in my hair and trim every little bit. But I think I'm thinking after I deep condition, because my curls will be popping, I'll just trim whatever is straight at that point and then straighten it and then get the rest. Well, I don't know. Ugh, I can't decide. I want to go live and ask, but I feel like the people that follow me on Instagram may not even know anything about my YouTube. My little sister, she was telling me the same thing. She's like, why do you put your polls on Instagram when you have all of your followers on YouTube? Like, that's where the people that watch your YouTube videos are, on YouTube. So the poll should be on YouTube so that the people that watch it can tell you what you should do. It's like, I don't know, asking Twitter what I should do on Instagram and they're on Twitter. Like, how can they tell me that? I could have asked you all. I should be live on YouTube right now. That would help me, but I don't know how to go live on there. Plus, when I ask opinions and then I still do what I want to do, people kind of get mad sometimes. Not that I care, but it's just like, if I was to have you all vote, hey, should I do braids, straight, or curls? And then I still change my mind. It's like, why did she ask us? Because I was trying to see what you think. If I do go and get my hair trimmed, I'm going to ask. If I can't record it, I'm not going to get my hair trimmed at that place. I know that you all want to see, so I definitely couldn't do that to y'all and be like, I won't be in the way with my camera, but I'm a YouTuber and I make hair tutorials, so is it okay if I vlog this, you know? And if they say nah, I'm gonna say okay, well never mind, because I ain't finna have my subscribers mad at me. But I got y'all. We'll see. The last time I got a cut, a professional one, I went to Supercuts. It was years ago. I'll link that video down below. The quality may be good. I filmed it on my phone, but I didn't film me getting it done. We're almost done taking down my braids. I should just upload this video by itself. This is how YouTube used to be. You get on here, it's not all professional and fancy. This isn't professional and fancy. I literally walked in here and sat down and cut it on. And what's crazy, guys, that is usually my best videos. Like, videos that do the best on my channel, whenever I go and look at the engagement and feedback, it's the ones that I did not plan at all. I just started recording. Taking down my 1-month-old wig braids. I remember the last time I took my hair down on camera. I got a lot of comments about people saying they would, can y'all see that? A lot of comments from people saying they wish I would have gone to the sink, because I realized how soothing it is to see my hair go from this and then look at all the dirty water in the sink. I mean, some people may not like it. I'm into that kind of thing. I like watching pedicure transformations, like ugly to fab and all of that kind of stuff. So basically, I just kind of comb through my hair a lot, get out all of the shed hair. Since I wash my hair in the kitchen sink, definitely wash yours wherever you feel like it. I'm not gonna keep giving disclaimers in my video. I enjoy YouTube best when I'm just doing my thing. Yeah, I like to comb my hair forward. That way, since I'm washing it in the sink, it's already going in that direction. Look at the dirt. Can we shake some of it out in front of the camera? Can y'all see it falling or not? Woo! Thumbnail! Hopefully that's a good thumbnail. And when you do a before and after for YouTube, guys, you want the before to be as messy as possible. So you just gotta all over the place, and then you put your other cute little finishing product on the side. That's how you do it. You heard it here first. All of Destiny told you. Okay, I'm probably gonna wash my hair like 5 times and deep condition for about 30 or however long. Ugh, I should just walk into somebody's salon just like this and be like, I need you to finish my big chop. Finishing the big chop thing is kind of dumb. As I'm editing this, I'm going to realize that honestly, it doesn't matter that I need big chop footage. Like, who cares about that? I can just title this straightening and cutting my hair after. How long has it been? Probably a year or something. Still pulling out strands that have shed. How do you know they've shed? Because it's a whole strand and it's not breakage. Breakage will be little pieces everywhere. These are long, full strands, like the length of my hair. She's not a licensed cosmetologist, guys. So always do your own research. This is just a girl that cuts her camera on when she does her hair. Ooh, I'm glad I got my nails done. I'm about to go in scratching my scalp. If I knew of any good salons to go to, I would go, but I've always done my own hair, so it's not something I just up and just just run and do. Let's just go to the salon and let them do it. I always grew up doing my own hair. My parents had 3 girls and my mom did our hair. So yeah, please don't leave me any dumb comments about me needing to wash my hair after everything I just said and explained, even though I don't gotta explain anything about when my hair was last washed. I hate it. I really hate it. It makes me not read the comments and not get back to you all, so don't do it. Please don't do it. Cause one of us goes in, one of y'all go in, and we all go through it. Alright, cause I'll be sitting here combing forever. This is my hair. Let me know if you can relate when you take your hair down. I'm not the only person. This is how much hair came out. Looks like a wig plucking, huh? Thumbnail. Yeah, that's probably it. Okay, we're in the sink. No, we're not, Destiny. We're not in the sink. Why would you say that? We're not in the sink. We're in the kitchen, and I'm gonna do my hair here. Let's do this. Gotta make sure I get this. This is the most important part. Ugh, I wish I had a monitor right here in front of me. Here we go. Oh, I hope I got it on camera. Okay, I see the water. It's dirty. Questions and comments, be sure to leave all of that down below. You've made it to the end of part 1. Now we're going to begin part 2, my wash day routine and straightening my natural hair for the first time. Click on my cute little face to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the card on the screen to go straight to part 2.